If a screw does not bite after repair, first confirm whether the substrate or anchor is the real problem before forcing a larger fastener. Start by removing the screw and inspecting the hole for stripped material, loose debris, or cured filler that did not bond. If the repair used filler or epoxy, check the cure by pressing gently with a pick. Some compounds skin over but are soft underneath and need the full cure time specified on the product label. When the substrate is soft or the screw hole is enlarged, a slightly larger threaded screw can gain purchase, but choose one that increases diameter by only one size step to avoid splitting or cracking the material. For hollow or drywall applications, swap to a larger rated anchor rather than relying solely on a bigger screw. Anchors convert screw torque into shear and pull-out resistance. When working with wood, consider using a wood dowel or a glued hardwood plug to restore threads. Then redrill a pilot hole sized to 90% of the screw core diameter for clean engagement. Always test the repaired fastener under the expected load, and, if safety is involved, back up the repair with an alternative support such as a bracket or toggle anchor. Common mistakes include assuming the screw size is the only issue when the hole is filled with loose debris or uncured filler. Solution: always fully clean and confirm cure before reinstalling hardware. Another error is driving an oversized screw into fragile material, which can split or further weaken the substrate. Solution: use a dowel or insert and match pilot hole size to the new fastener, or use an anchor designed for the material. A third frequent problem is relying on a larger screw in hollow wall without an anchor, which leads to pull-out under load. Solution: fit a proper hollow wall anchor or toggle and avoid excessive torque that strips the anchor. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for repairs and upgrades related to fastener and fixture stability. We also connect contractors with local job opportunities and maintain a discussion community where we and other users share repair techniques, product experiences, and step-by-step advice.